Hi friends, welcome to my food lover. This is my 15th video. The specialty of this restaurant is that they not only offer dosa and masala dosa and other items. Along with that, they will be offering non-veg food, chicken, mutton, everything is available. I will show you. So be with me and watch the video till the end. I'm just signing off. Bye bye. So friends, this is the famous restaurant Dosa Street. So let's go inside and find out how's the food. So now we came inside. This is the counter and this is the sitting area. You can see here the food is been served in traditional way in these banana leaves. It's a Kerala restaurant. Here you can see a beautiful painting on the wall. Beautiful art, beautifully done. It shows about preparing some food. You can see one guy here is preparing the food in Arabic dress he is. The art is very beautiful. It's about cooking food and serving. Here you can see they have a display unit in which they will be running the video of today's special food items so that the customers would know without even asking that what's special for today. So this is the whole ambience of this particular restaurant. It's good. You can have some good time over here, sit and relax and have the food. We really enjoyed it. So friends, this is our menu. You can see different kinds of dosha are available. Cheese bus dosha, Mumbai masala dosha, Mysore masala dosha, garlic dosha. But this is for morning time only, breakfast items. Now we have come for lunch. Lunch special items are these: Kerala chicken chilli with chutney and fish fry. So here comes our first item what we have ordered. That is biryani, chicken biryani for my friend Mr. Sean. So they will serve you the biryani with special chutney, pickle and all this. I will show you how the biryani is. So this is it. The specialty of this particular restaurant is that they will serve you the lunch and dinner in this traditional way, Kerala style, that is in the banana leaves. That is a specialty over here. For biryani and other items they will give you the plate.
Today I have ordered a special dish, Pulja Sim Sim biryani. So can you repeat with me?
Pulja Sim Sim.
So this biryani.
Friends, here you can see one by one they will serve. First they are serving the pickle, then the second is the cabbage curry. The third one is, we call it in Kerala, in Malayalam language we call it pachadi, made up of curd and some vegetables. The third is little difficult to pronounce. It's called avial. So after placing all the curry on this banana leaf, finally they will give you rice. That's the way how it is being served.
Pulja Sim Sim biryani is there. First you can see. Hunde ka panda. See the chicken piece. Wait. There is one more chicken piece. Let's wait. And then
Friends, here you can see by mistake my friend Mr. Muttu, he has already had some rice on his banana leaves, but that's not the traditional way to have food on banana leaf. Firstly you should be served with the curry, then you have to take the rice. But by mistake it happened, he was not aware about it. And now it's my turn. See, all the curries are being placed, then you are supposed to put the rice, have it, and on the rice they will give you, this is my favorite sambar. Along with that 2 or 3 more curries are there. They will ask you if you want, they will give it to you. This is one more mixed veg curry, so I am just going to have it. This you can see the drumstick, all the vegetables. As you know, sambar is mixture of all the vegetables. So with this pickle, that is fried chili, that cabbage, and that papadam, everything papad we call in Hindi. So I'm just going to have the food. The nice aroma is coming, that sambar and everything. You can see it's pretty well cooked. Even by touching I can know that the rice is cooked pretty well. You can see it. You can ask curry as many times as you can. They will keep on serving you. Same like our video, like Gokul Gujarati, they will keep on serving you. So now I'm going to taste the food. It's pretty nice. That pachadi, that is really awesome. That cabbage curry, this mango pickle, and this is the fried chili, which is dipped in curd and then fried. It's very nice. This is another vegetable curry, and this is my favorite sambar, and this is one more curry. It's good, pretty nice. I really enjoyed it. So while we were having it, we were being told about the today's special, that is chicken fry. So we have ordered 4 pieces of chicken fry, and again we are going to have little more rice the second time. Here you can see this is my second turn. I have taken little rice and curry and all. I am going to taste it with they will keep on giving you the curry again and again, same to our last restaurant Gokul Gujarati. The same way they will serve you food, curry, everything again and again till you can eat, unlimited. So again I have seen, you can see all this curry and this chicken fry also I have got it. It is pretty nicely cooked. The taste is good, well fried. So I really enjoyed it. The food quality, the service, everything is awesome. Hope you all like the video. So thank you for watching. Thank you.